just say.
Han.
What's that, huh? Unsa, Han? Han? Unsa?
Han. What's the word for lazy in Cebuano?
Ta. Po. Ta.
Ta.
Po.
Po.
Lan.
Tapalan.
Yeah, tapulan. In Tagalog is easier.
Tapalan.
In Tagalog, just say tamad.
Tamad.
Yeah.
Tapalan.
Who's tapulan?
Ay?
Who is tapulan?
Who's tapalan?
Who is tapulan? Who's tamad?
Momsy.
Ako?
Momsy's tapalan.
I'm not tamad. Ay, may coffee, be.
B? Come on.
Mga tapulan kay Corondo all day, wala lang tulog, kaon. Sige na, kape. Okay.
Tapalan.
Sina tapulan.
Tapalan.
Come on, tapulan. Tapulan, okay? Tapulan is lazy. Word of the day, tapulan. Si Mamsi.
Tapalan.
Limot kay guys. Another word for it is hot. The weather is hot. The weather is kuanhan. Init. Init ba?
Init.
The weather is hot.
Yeah.
So it's say init kaayo. Ilimuot, alimuot.
Huh?
Say alimuot.
Alimuot.
A. Li.
Li.
Mu.
O.
Ot.
Ot. Aliminot.
A. Li.
Li.
Mu.
Mo.
Ot.
No.
Ali. Mu.
Aliminot. Aliminot.
A. Li.
Li.
Mu.
Mo.
Ot.
Ot.
Ali.
Ali.
Muot.
Mohot.
Yeah.
Ali Mohot.
Yeah, ali muot.
He sounds like an Indian. No. Ali Mohot.
Bati magkapamation magkuanhan.
Bati control 20.
Pamation mo. That's why I don't like to teach him to Cebuano or dialect because his accent is awkward, awful to listen.
Awful.
Yeah, it's better if you speak in Indian accent. You're really good. But in our accent, oh my God, you're awful.
Tell me truth.
Huh?
Tell me truth.
Teli. What? Teli.
Tell me truth.
What's it telling me, dude? What's it telling me, dude? What's that?
I don't know.
Sana, what's that? What is it?
Lazy.
What does it mean? In English?
Lazy.
Tapulan.
Tapalan. Tapalan.
Why did you say Chilimidut?
Tapalan. It's hard to...
See that? It's not hard.
It is small brains.
It's your brain. Your brain has a low pickup.
Yeah. Tapalan. Ethan, you tapalan.
Ethan.
Tapalan.
Tapulan.
Tapalan.
I love you, nak.
Tapalan.
Sige na, hanbang. Drink.
That's the new word. I'm going to say that to your sister.
What are you gonna say to my sister? Din mo, palaban, gini siya kanunay sa akong igsuon. He always speaks to my sister.
Is your sister?
Wala, nag-text na siya. Nagsumbong na siya. Sumbongiro. Sumbongiro. You know what sumbongiro? Sumbongiro kayo na siya sa akong manghod. Yeah.
Sister. You know your sister. You know your sister. what's her name? Tatin. She's Dapalan.
Tatin mo ko.
Very Dapalan.
She will love it.
That's now my new word for Mumsy today.
Why you didn't know? You
Tapulan.
didn't know that I'm Tapulan?
Dapalan? Well, I know that, but I didn't know the word, did I?
You don't know the word. Kabana siya Tapulan ko. Sige na baka.
Okay.
Yeah, they're back to already to
We
the
miss
the
you.
town. Love you, sis. Miss you.
Miss you.
Manawag ko ni mo ugma, sis.
Yeah. Whatever Mumsy just said. Yeah.
I said that I'm going to ring her tomorrow.
Oh, she's going to ring you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Ooh.
Love you, sis. Take care.
Love you, sis.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
God bless.
Ingat yan yan.
Yan, yan. So, yan, yan.
Sure yan yan.
Yeah. Because he's a sir.